Hello students, after the salicylic acids with methanol, we are starting with salicylic acid with phenol. So here OSCOOH formation takes place. OSCOOH, you know very well, we have already completed. This is a salicylic acid. React with phenol, this is a phenol giving a heating process, so it forms as OSCOO. Means H we have taken out, we are putting here O in the benzene form and water. So it forms as phenyl silicate, or we can say as salol. What is said? Salol. Now, if in a paper they are asking to make a reaction or write a reaction of salol, so you have to use this thing. And if they will ask how the salol formation takes place, then you can say with the help of the salicylic acid with phenol, then this thing is taken place, then you have to make this reaction. Now next is the coupling reaction. In a coupling reaction, when phenol is reacted with benzene, now phenol is there, this is a phenol, react with the benzene. Okay, when it is react with the benzene diazonium, this is benzene diazonium, we get orange color azo dye. What we got? Azo dye. Now here you can see benzene diazonium chloride, we got it with the phenol. What we will happen, the thing we got is that is orange color azodyl. Okay, in the presence of HCl, and we can say as para hydroxyazobenzene. Now next is reaction of phenol with phthalic anhydride. So here phthalic anhydride we are using. So we are using here phthalic anhydride with phenol groups in the presence of heat, and it form as phthalic. You can see here the formation takes place C double bond here and H2O with the benzene. Okay, so overall the formation takes place, reaction of phenol with phthalic anhydride, this thing is taken place. Okay, so here students, you can write down in a copy. Okay, after write down in a copy and try to learn these things nicely. Okay, next is bromination of phenol. Now here phenol is react with the bromine to form three sides bromo, ortho, para and meta on both on three sides with the OH, that is a phenol. It form 3HBr. One thing in a note you can write down, to obtain monobromo phenol from phenol. Mono. Okay. We brominate the phenol with bromine in the presence of CS2 polar solvent. So what the things came? Phenol reacts with the bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide. It forms as phenol bromine with HBr. Nitration of phenol with the nitration in the presence of H2SO4, it forms as OHNO2 and OHNO2, one on ortho side and second on the meta side. So one question arises here: explain why orthonitrophenol is more extreme volatile than the paronitrophenol. So because of this reason, we can say it is a intra-hydrogen bonding in this one, in this, and in this one it is inter-hydrogen bonding. Nothing is there. In a paranitrophenol, interhydrogen bonding, orthonitrophenol, intrahydrogen bonding is there. Okay students, so till here beta, please properly write down in your copies and please completed your work. Next is alkylations of phenol. Last topic is left here. Phenol is react with HCl, it form as anhydrous AlCl3, form as OHCH3 with HCl. So what this form? It will come on a para side. So P cycrol is there. P cycrol. Here P will come na, ortho meta para. Okay. So one thing more important, if we can say, this is the benzene ring. When we are react with HNO3 and H2SO4, it form NO2. Then reaction with AlCl3, it form NO2 and CH3. Then again we are using with 6 atoms of hydrogen, S and HCl, it form as NH2 and CH3. Again we are doing the reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, it form N2Cl with CH3, and H2O is taken place with a base, so it form as OHCH3. Test of phenol is done with the, we can say, FeCl3 test, ferric chloride test also we can complete it. This you can see in your copies and you do by yourself. Okay, now next topics ether we will start afterwards. Till here you can write down in your copies, students. Okay, so I can say here we have completed alcohol, we have completed phenol, we have completed, and ether is left, so we can complete it afterwards. Okay, now conversion and that one topic is going on, conversion and the reactions. Okay, so let's be start with this is also organic and that is also organic. So this one you have to write down according to chapter wise in another copy, that you can write down in another copy, because only reactions and conversions are there. Thank you students and have a nice day.